Today I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax automatically with Wix. If you're running an online store or offering services through your Wix site, configuring tax settings properly ensures you're collecting the right amount from customers based on their location. This keeps your business compliant and saves you from manual calculations at checkout. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's start by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you'll access all the backend configurations for your site, including payment and tax settings. From the Settings page, scroll down until you locate the Finance and Payments section. Under this section, you'll see an option named Tax. Go ahead and click on it. This is the hub where you'll manage how taxes are applied to your sales, whether you're selling products, services, or subscriptions. Now, once you're on the tax page, you might notice a banner for Avalara. This is a third-party service that sets up automated tax rates when you subscribe to Wix Premium. It's a convenient option if you want everything handled automatically. However, for this video, we'll cover a manual tax setup that still automatically adds tax to your sales at checkout. This gives you more control over the rates and locations you're dealing with. From this page, start by clicking on the Add Locations button. Taxes vary depending on where you're doing business, so it's important to specify the countries and states you operate in. Click on the drop-down menu to select the country, or you can manually type it in if you prefer. After that, choose the state or multiple states you're doing business with from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected your locations, click Add. Now that your locations are added, you'll need to manually set the tax rates for each one. Click on any location you've added and you'll see options to add tax rates for different types of transactions. This includes cancellation fees, services, pricing plans, products, shipping and delivery, and form payments. Enter the appropriate tax rate for each category based on the regulations in that location. Once you've filled in the respective taxes, click Save. This ensures that each location has the correct tax rate applied to the right type of sale. Finally, head back to the Tax Settings section and click on the option that says Tax should be added at checkout. This is the key setting that automatically adds the tax to the checkout total for your customers. Instead of showing the price without tax and surprising them at the end, this makes sure the tax is clearly calculated and displayed during the checkout process. And that's it. You've successfully set up sales tax to be applied automatically on your Wix site. Now your customers will see the correct tax amount based on their location, and you'll stay compliant without having to calculate anything manually. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.